The Lenovo Legion Go is a groundbreaking handheld gaming PC, but choosing the right operating system is crucial to unlock its full potential. Should you go with SteamOS, the custom Bazzite, trusty Windows, or a full Linux distro? Today, we're diving deep into each option so you can decide which OS is truly the best fit for your Legion Go. Welcome to Handheld Italy, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. Whether you're all about raw gaming power, battery life, or customization, picking the right OS will shape your entire experience. Let's start by reviewing each operating system, its strengths, and its weaknesses. SteamOS is Valve's own Linux-based operating system built specifically for gaming. It's designed to offer a clean, controller-friendly interface that works seamlessly with Steam's extensive game library. One of the biggest advantages of SteamOS is its lightweight design, which helps conserve battery life and improve performance on handheld devices like the Legion Go. SteamOS leverages Proton, a compatibility layer that allows many Windows games to run on Linux without needing native Linux versions. This has come a long way in recent years, but it's important to note that not all Windows games run perfectly yet. Some titles, especially those with anti-cheat systems, might encounter problems or require extra configuration. The Steam community often shares workarounds and fixes, but this can mean extra effort if your favorite games aren't fully supported out of the box. Another strong point of SteamOS is its integration with Steam Cloud and Steam Workshop, which helps keep your game saves, mods, and settings synced across devices. The system also supports Steam Deck's handheld controls, which makes it ideal for portable gaming. Plus, SteamOS receives regular updates directly from Valve, focused on improving compatibility, stability, and user experience specifically for gamers. On the downside, SteamOS's focus on gaming means it's not as versatile as other operating systems. Its desktop environment is limited compared to traditional Linux distributions or Windows, so if you want to use your Legion Go for productivity tasks, web browsing beyond the Steam browser, or software outside the Steam ecosystem, you might find it restrictive. In short, the SteamOS is perfect for gamers who prioritize a smooth, streamlined gaming experience with longer battery life and built-in support for Steam's ecosystem. But if you want a device that doubles as a full PC for work or multitasking, you may want to look elsewhere. Another benefit of SteamOS is its minimal background processes compared to other operating systems. Because it's focused primarily on gaming, it avoids many of the unnecessary services and apps that can slow down your system or eat up battery life. This streamlined approach means your Legion Go can dedicate more resources to running games smoothly, especially important when you're playing demanding titles on a handheld device. All in all, SteamOS is a compelling choice if your primary goal is gaming on the Legion Go with solid performance, good battery life, and deep integration with the Steam ecosystem. Next up is Bazzite, a community-driven Linux distribution tailored specifically for handheld gaming PCs like the Legion Go. Bazzite builds on the foundation of SteamOS, but adds a range of extra optimizations, patches, and customizations aimed at making handheld gaming smoother and more efficient. One of the key advantages of Bazzite is its focus on hardware compatibility. The developers work closely with the community to ensure support for various handheld devices, including the Legion Go, with better driver support and performance tweaks. This means Bazzite can often deliver a more polished experience out of the box compared to SteamOS, especially when it comes to things like touchscreen responsiveness, controller mapping, and battery management. Bazzite bundles Proton just like SteamOS, but it also integrates additional tools and patches that enhance compatibility with Windows games. This often results in improved frame rates, reduced input lag, and fewer crashes for titles that may struggle under vanilla SteamOS. The UI in Bazzite is another area where it stands out. While SteamOS sticks to a more locked-down, Steam-centric interface, Bazzite offers greater flexibility with a customizable desktop environment. This means you can tweak layouts, install additional software, or switch between gaming and productivity modes more easily. For gamers who want more control without losing focus on gaming, this strikes a great balance. In summary, Bazzite is a fantastic option if you're comfortable with Linux and want an optimized gaming OS that improves on SteamOS's limitations. It's lightweight, efficient, and more customizable, making it ideal for power users and handheld enthusiasts who want to squeeze every bit of performance out of their Legion Go. Windows remains the industry standard for PC gaming, and it's fully supported on the Legion Go. One major advantage is its compatibility with virtually every game and software available, Windows can be resource heavy. It runs many background processes and updates which can drain battery life faster than Linux-based systems. Its user interface is designed for traditional desktops, so some UI elements may not be optimized for the Legion Go's touchscreen and handheld form factor. Power management tweaks and third-party tools can help improve performance and battery life, but it's not as streamlined out of the box as SteamOS or Bazzite. One major benefit is the extensive driver and peripheral support Windows offers. Whether you're plugging in a gaming headset, external mouse, or even a VR headset, Windows is most likely to support your hardware without issues. It also enjoys widest compatibility with game anti-cheat software, which can be a challenge for Linux-based systems. Additionally, Windows benefits from a massive ecosystem of software and utilities designed to optimize gaming performance, such as GPU overclocking tools, game boosters, and customizable settings. This level of control appeals to gamers who want to fine-tune every aspect of their system. In summary, Windows is the best choice if you want maximum compatibility and flexibility, even if it means sacrificing some battery life and simplicity. Finally, we have general-purpose Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Pop! OS, and Manjaro. These are fully-fledged operating systems used worldwide by millions of users. They offer complete control over your system, allowing you to customize everything from the desktop environment to kernel-level settings. Linux distros are free and open source, and they provide excellent security and privacy. You're less exposed to telemetry, tracking, or forced updates compared to Windows. However, they tend to have a steeper learning curve, especially when setting up gaming environments. You'll need to manually install Proton, graphics drivers, input configuration tools, and sometimes work around anti-cheat or DRM issues. That said, the flexibility of Linux is unmatched. You can strip your OS down to the bare essentials, resulting in a lightweight, efficient system that runs faster and cooler than most alternatives. For advanced users, Linux also allows scripting and automation for performance tuning, background process control, and managing game libraries across platforms. If you enjoy tinkering and want a versatile OS that works well beyond gaming, a Linux distro is a powerful option. It can also extend battery life if optimized properly, but it requires more investment compared to Windows or SteamOS. Still, if you value control, customization, and a deeper connection to your system, Linux can turn your Legion Go into a highly personalized portable powerhouse. To wrap up, if you want a simple, streamlined gaming experience focused on Steam titles with good battery life, SteamOS is an excellent choice. Bazzite offers a similar experience with added flexibility in optimizations but requires a bit more Linux know-how. Windows is best for full compatibility and versatility, perfect if you want to run every game and application without compromise. Lastly, Linux distros are for users who love customization and want a system that doubles as a powerful workstation. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one!